In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Flutter project into VS Code from GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. To get started, the first task is to copy the repository URL of the Flutter project you want to import. So head over to your GitHub repository page. You'll see a green button labeled Code. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear, and there, you'll find the URL for the repository. Make sure to copy that URL. You can simply click the clipboard icon to do so easily. Once you have that URL, it's time to open Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the official site. It's free and works on various platforms. After launching VS Code, you'll be greeted by the welcome screen or your last opened projects, depending on your configuration. Now let's access the command palette. This is one of the most powerful features in VS Code that allows you to perform various tasks quickly. To open the command palette, simply press Ctrl and Shift and P on Windows or Linux, or if you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and P at the same time. After you've opened the command palette, you'll see a search bar at the top of the window. Here, type git clone and select the git clone command from the options that appear. This command allows you to create a copy of the repository on your local machine. The next step is where you'll paste that URL you copied earlier from GitHub. Simply click into the command palette's input field and paste your repository URL. Once you've pasted it, go ahead and hit Enter on your keyboard. After that, you'll need to choose a destination for your Flutter project. A File Explorer window will pop up, prompting you to select the local folder where you want to save the project. Navigate to your desired directory, and once you're there, click Select Folder or Open to finalize your choice. Now, the project will start downloading to your local machine. Depending on the size of the project and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Be patient, and once the download finishes, you'll receive a prompt asking if you'd like to open the project. Go ahead and click Open to load your new Flutter project in VS Code. Upon loading the project, you may notice a prompt asking you to get the project dependencies. This is an important step since Flutter projects rely on various packages to function correctly. Don't skip this. Just click Get Packages when prompted, and VS Code will automatically fetch all the necessary libraries and packages for your project. And that's it. You've successfully imported a Flutter project from GitHub into Visual Studio Code. Now you can start editing, coding, and customizing your Flutter app. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and